Astrology and tarot are not considered scientifically valid or supported by scientific evidence. The scientific method involves making observations, formulating hypotheses, conducting experiments, and analyzing data to test those hypotheses. Astrology and tarot do not adhere to this rigorous scientific process. Astrology is based on the belief that there is a relationship between the positions and movements of celestial bodies and events occurring on Earth. However, numerous scientific studies examining astrology have failed to demonstrate any consistent relationship between celestial events and human personality traits or life events. Astrology relies on general statements that can apply to many people, known as Barnum statements or the Forer effect, which can create the illusion of accuracy. Tarot, on the other hand, is a form of divination that uses a deck of cards to gain insight into a person's life or future. The interpretations of the cards are subjective and can vary widely depending on the reader. There is no scientific evidence to support the claims that tarot cards can predict future events or provide specific guidance. While astrology and tarot may have cultural or personal significance for some individuals, they are not considered to be scientific practices. It's important to approach these practices with a critical mindset and recognize them as forms of entertainment or personal belief systems rather than scientifically validated methods.